Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So are you looking for a conversation about an item you bought or sold? Facebook Marketplace messages are stored inside Messenger and you can access them in seconds. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to find Marketplace messages on Facebook in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what Marketplace messages are. So Marketplace messages include buyer inquiries, seller negotiations, offer notifications, shipping updates, and order confirmations. So all tied to item listings. So first thing first, open the Messenger application, okay, or tap the Messenger icon inside Facebook. Marketplace chats appears like normal conversations, okay, as you can see here, okay. So now look for Marketplace label. So scroll through conversations, look for the Marketplace icon beside chats, okay. So conversations usually show item preview, seller or buyer name appear. So Marketplace chats often include item thumbnail. Okay, so as you can see here, here is the item. Okay. So tap the search bar in Messenger, type seller name or item name, results appear instantly. Open the correct conversation and searching is faster than scrolling. So if you don't see the chats, tap your profile icon, select archived chats, review archived conversations and move back to inbox if needed. So archived chats are not deleted, okay? So that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.